Looks like I might need to loosen that skid plate on the DEF tank. So yeah, let's see what we got to say. I can see the 4 holes where it's probably going to mount to, so we'll go from there. There it is, the Rugged Ridge trailer hitch installed. The box itself says it works with the 18 Jeep Wrangler JL. I guess the only caveat I would probably say is that while they do have instructions for some sort of L bracket that was probably holding up that bumper, the main thing that you have to consider on the Ecodiesels is the diesel exhaust fluid tank, which is in a very inconvenient place. The angles suck, but that bolt right there is hard to get to because of the skid plate, which is covering the DEF. I think that's the DEF. In any case, it's hard to get to with the one. It's hard to get to, number one. Number two, you can't get the bolt through with the provided washer on there. So you'll have to kind of angle it in there and kind of give it a little bit of a tap with a wrench or something on the face to get it to set in there. Once it's in there, it's no problem. But just know that that washer that's supposed to be between that and the plate is really not going to go in there very well. Other than that, it fits pretty well. Now, in order to get some of the bolts in, you may actually need to loosen this tank here on the EF tank, or at least the skid plate anyways, to drop it down enough for it to wiggle the tank in. So that's what I did to get that other nut in, or bolt in. So again, you'll probably have to loosen up the two driver's side brackets right there, just enough so you can get the bolt. Probably would work for both bolts, having that little bit of extra clearance. But once it's in there and you get it all tightened up, it's pretty straightforward. Goes right on. Now, I didn't install the wire loom bracket, which is fine. Oop. I didn't install the wire loom bracket there because I didn't install the wire loom. It's a little bit less expensive not having the wire loom, mainly because I'm probably just going to have like a hitch basket on there, or to mount, be able to bring bicycles with me on trips. For the time being, I can't afford an adventure trailer or anything like that. All of my funds have gone to the roof rack and to the rooftop tent. So at this point, it'll just be for extra storage behind the Jeep, so that there's a little bit more inside the Jeep when the time comes. You know, being able to put the cooler back there and a couple of the dry boxes and such. So beyond that, it's pretty well made, pretty hefty. I should be able to support a hitch basket or a bike rack on there, no problem. So anyways, thank you for watching that little video. Give us a comment, share, like, or subscribe. Follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I am @TheOrminator. And yeah, I look forward to posting more of these videos up there.